When a loved one living with dementia or Alzheimer's steps out alone, families don't just worry, they fear the unknown. Are they safe? Do they remember the way back? Will someone know how to help them? Because when memory fades, safety isn't optional. It's everything. That's why tag8 created Smart Safety Kit, to give families and caregivers peace of mind, without taking away dignity or independence. Caregivers can track their location, share location access with family member, activate lost mode when it matters most, track globally anytime, no subscriptions, no recurring fees, no frequent battery charging. But location alone isn't always enough. That's why the Smart Safety Kit includes an emergency QR tag. If your loved one is lost or needs medical help, any caregiver, security staff, or passerby can scan the tag to instantly connect with the next of kin immediately via call, SMS, WhatsApp, or email. View critical emergency medical details example, vitals, allergies, conditions, and surgeries. Also, a scan alert is automatically sent with scan location as soon as the QR is scanned. No guessing, no delays. We're at their way. To ensure the tracker is always with them, the kit includes multiple wearing options: silicone wristband, soft, skin-friendly, all-day comfort; eyewear lanyard, secures glasses and the tracker together; multi-purpose holder, whereas a brooch, belt loop, or shoelace attachment; discreet, comfortable, adaptable to daily routines. Why families trust tag8. Trusted by over 5 million users. Used in 25+ countries worldwide. Works with both Android and Apple. No subscription fees. Long battery life, up to 1 year. Safe, non-toxic, radiation-free design. Setting up the tags. The emergency QR tag. Scan the QR code on the tag. Register your email ID and mobile number. Set up display name. Fill in the emergency details. Fill in the medical information. That's it. Your tag is now connected. Dolphin Rex, Android. Rex for Android works seamlessly with Google's Find My Device, Find Hub app. Connect and attach. To connect Rex, press and hold the power button on Rex until you hear a sound. This means the tracker is now in pairing mode. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on your Android phone. A fast pair pop-up will appear automatically on the screen. Keep Rex away from other BLE-enabled Android phones. This ensures the pairing pop-up appears only on your device. Tap the pop-up and follow the on-screen steps to complete pairing. Ring the tracker to confirm the connection. Dolphin Rex, iOS. Rex for iOS is designed exclusively for Apple iPhone and iPad users and works with Apple Find My app, Apple's trusted tracking network. Connect and attach. To connect Rex, enable Bluetooth and connect your iPhone to the internet. Power on your Dolphin Rex iOS tracker by pressing the button until you hear a beep. Open the Find My app on your iPhone. Tap Add Item, Other Supported Item to start pairing. Name your tracker, choose an emoji, and tap Continue and Finish. That's it. Your tag is now linked to your Apple ID. Ring the tracker to confirm the connection. Because safety should never take away dignity, and peace of mind should never be complicated. tag8 Smart Safety Kit. Dignity, independence, peace of mind.